Hello, my name is Gage Jones, and over the last week, I have been working to try and get our business selling at lunch, and here is a fundraising form. So the Gage just has who is working for us, and then we have what we're selling. So we're selling keychains, and there's two different variants. So they're right here with the blue and white or the pumpkin. Then there's a flexible octopus, flexible triceratops, pass-through cone, and a crystal flexible dragon. And where we will sell it at, we want to go to lunch Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we also want to sell outside of Mr. Lang's room. And then we have money handling and purpose, and this is just what we're going to do with the money. We're going to try and reinvest it back into our computer science classes, and then we also want to put it back into the business to try and get a new 3D printer, so that way we can 3D print faster. And then here's all of the pictures. We have the keychains for the first three, the little flexible octopuses side by side. There's two kinds, the large and small. The pass-through cones are right here, these three. The triceratops, and then the crystal dragon. And then we have the price points, and then plans with money. Then we got these barcodes set up so that way we can easily scan them. So you have the item right here, so as you can see, large blue octopus. Then we have the cost, which is $3. Image, so it's just that little octopus. And then we have the barcode, which we will scan. And this is printed out because the barcode won't work on digital, and also it's just faster on paper. And then we have it in two forms, has every item on it that we're selling currently. And then the software we're using for inventory, we were working with, and we learned that we could export to Excel. So this is one of the things that we sold. So we just sold one, and it was $3. So we made $3. And then safety stock is just how much it gets down before we get notifications that we need to make more. And then the inventory app looks like this. We have the item, and then how many of them. So we have 51 garlic pumpkins. And then we have our sales, where it'll tell us how much money we've made, how many things we sold. So this morning, we sold one item, it was pass-through cone, and we made a total of $5. And then we have a bunch of these. And then in our inventory app, we have a bunch of features, like we could choose this one, for example, and then we could go here and then export to Excel if we wanted to. We could also go to barcode labels, and then we can print items. So that makes it so that we can print the barcodes, multiple of them. And then we can stock in, stock out, and adjust stock, so that way, because as we're selling things, the stock's going to go out, and then as we make things, stock's going to go in. And then, as you can see, the large pass-through cone, which I believe is this. No, that's not that one. It's one of these two. So it's this one, and we have two more of them. And that's what I've been doing this week. Just a lot of working for the business, trying to get us to the lunches and selling things. We also set up a little table that we will outside of Mr. Lang's room, so that way we can sell right outside of his room during class changes. We sold one thing this morning doing that, and that's what I've been doing this week. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.